Your performance online can make or break your business. So we here at Search Creative have a proposal for you. Our goal is to help your business grow by placing your website on page 1 of Google. Here's how it works. Our client, Range Construction, has been positioned first on Google for the keyword Tarmac Driveways London. Other cases include Roof Shield and PD Groundworks, who are at the top of the page with similar location terms too. Our clients dominate the most sought after positions on Google, using search engine optimization and a variety of other methods in our marketing plan. As a result, our clients grow substantially, receive much more search traffic and gain multiple inquiries per day. We also provide you with your very own seamless and modern website, fully integrated with up-to-date security and social media pages that we set up and even manage on your behalf. Google in 2019 is also prioritizing video content, which is lucky because we offer a video production service tailored to your company's unique style, which in turn converts your website's users into new clients. So, if you're interested in growing your business with a great return on investment, then contact us for a free website report at search-creative.co.uk, give us a call on 0800 978 8360, or email us at info@search-creative.co.uk.